Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got a 2004 Maserati MC12. This casting from Matchbox, as you can see from the collector series. Uh, so we are expecting some good details on this one, and looks nice. I don't think I've seen a C12 before in black. I've seen it some different colors, obviously in pictures, not in real life. So let's open it up and see how does it look. So let's have a quick look at the MC12 before we deep dive into it. And if you don't know about the premiums, well, most of them have metal base, some of them still have plastic base, but they do come with rubber tires and slightly nicer looking wheels, and all of them has good details on them. So let's deep dive and see what the details are. So here is the Matchbox Collector 2004 Maserati MC12. Now it's finished in black, as you can see. I'm going to start from the front for other details. In the front, you've got some nice details. You've got detailed headlamp, Maserati badge, trident from Maserati. Lower grille, I don't know if the actual MC tool had like a closed grille or if they had some texture. I think they had some texture, so a little bit of texture would have looked much better here. But still good details. On the side, you can see those. I think those are the latches. I'm not sure. It might be. Looks like that. Also from the front you can see all the vents, the air elements. No mirrors here. I don't know why. Maybe because I had those longer mirrors, so Matchbox decided not to do that. Mostly they can't do that, I guess. Also you can see the single windshield wipers. The windshield is curved like a cockpit. uh, you can also see from here the interior is finished in blue, so I'm not gonna say that again, I guess. Now on the driver's side, you can see some nice details. So these tires are rubber, wheels obviously chrome, which I think in some time will start losing it. You can already see on the edges. But nice details on the side too. That's another latch. You can see the fuel filler on the driver's side. A scoop on the roof. Oh yeah, these are mid-engine. So a smallish window. And door handle is I think on right there. And if you look, since we are here, if you look from the top, it's such a different design, like curves, and then you got the wider body, very aerodynamic. And if I'm not wrong, it was based on Ferrari Enzo, so it's already a fast car in this one, quite crazy. Now on the rear, again nice details. You can see a huge wing, painted details with like tail lamp, grille, Maserati badge, quad exhaust. So a lot of good details in the back. You can also see the diffuser there. The spoiler is like, I think it's a plastic piece and it's not painted, it's just black, like the rest of the body, which is all black. So it looks a bit different. You can see the difference. Now here you can also see the engine from this window in the rear end. So there's a glass piece and you can see the engine. I think this is also finished in blue, which is obvious with the interior. Passenger side, the only difference I can see is there's no fuel filler. Apart from that, it is identical. Base, it's metal, but there are no details there. It's completely blank. Overall, I think it's still a nice looking casting. I would have preferred maybe gray finish on the wheels, but I don't know, maybe chrome wheels, the wheels of choice in that era. Apart from that, looks good, has nice details on it, as paint looks nice. Yeah, if you are a fan of Maseratis, you might want to get this one. Well, those are my thoughts. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.